There is something we couldn't accept. Today, a premature baby's chance of survival still depends on where they were born. Every year, 30 million babies are born prematurely and around 1 million lose their lives. Because prematurity is the leading cause of death in children under 5. But many of these deaths could be prevented through timely access to neonatal care.
Premature babies have immature lungs. Every breath can become an enormous effort. A continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, helps keep their lungs open. But in too many places, such a device remains out of reach. A modern CPAP costs thousands of euros, and cost is not the only problem. Time is another.
This is Numa, a neonatal bubble CPAP that works without electricity.
We didn't reinvent the physics, we reinvented its use. Pure oxygen comes in. It is then mixed with ambient air via Venturi effect, where you can adjust the amount of oxygen. The mixture is then being humidified in this box and then pushed into the baby's lungs. The air then goes into the pressure generator, where you can adjust the pressure in centimeters of water.
We designed an adaptive nasal cannula to reduce nasal trauma with an easy fixation in the head. Research shows that nasal injuries remain one of the most common complications of neonatal CPAP. At the same time, the interface needs to maintain an effective seal, so we needed to find the right balance between protecting fragile tissue and avoiding air leak. Once the oxygen is turned on and bubbles appear, the CPAP is ready to support the newborn breathing.
To test our concepts rapidly, we chose 3D printing, which came with its own set of engineering challenges. Since our system relies on visual guidance via bubbles inside the water compression chamber, the entire structure had to be printed using translucent materials. Furthermore, dealing with pressurized air and water meant every single part had to be airtight and waterproof.
Our ambition is simple: to make respiratory support easier to deliver so more premature babies can benefit from it.